Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Wednesday, July 3rd, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar-weighted put call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading on July, bearish on August, and neutral on September. Those were the three important ones, with 34, 49, and 16% of the total premiums paid. Today, remember, we have a short day and quite low volume here. Let's go to the charts. Here we have it. As you can see here, SPX or S&P 500 daily chart, we're still below the 50-day moving average. Tomorrow we have a holiday, and Friday we have non-farm pay jobs. I'm gonna remain neutral until Friday. Well, anyways, there's nothing more to do there until the futures open. But here I want to see what we get on that the reaction we get on Friday morning. Either we get bullish or bearish on Friday. So that's what I'm waiting here. We already took a big chunk here of this bounce until the moving average, which was a good trading period. For the Qs, pretty much the same. Not much going on here. And neutral today until non-farm payrolls. Today we were up almost 0.5%, failing at the 50-day moving average, and then coming back quite a bit on IWM, the Russell 2000 ETF, 0.2% up for the day. Not much happening today. You can see very low volume, and we'll have to see if Friday we are going to get to our 100 level, or if we're gonna break here this 50-day moving average. That's gonna be critical. Gold. Here we have the daily chart for gold. Today basically 0.5% up, finishing at the lows of the day, low volume. And I'm bearish, but I would not trade it here. I would want to see a pop to the 125 level and then try to short it again. I'm looking for the 115, 113 on GLD, or if you look at the spot gold, I would be looking for around 1,150 as the next target on the downside. For silver, going to the SLV chart, 1.8% up for the day on no volume. Basically, you can see here, this silver is getting pretty close to an area where you would like to start a short. I would be looking for 20 to 21 is my area to start a short position there. I'm bearish long term on gold. I would be looking for 17, eventually 16 on this metal. So I would look for another bounce here to the 20 level and maybe start with a 50% position to the downside. Apple. Here we have the daily chart for Apple at up 0.5% today, above the 419 level we talked about yesterday. Important level for it to break, but again, not much volume today. We'll have to wait and see how Friday plays out. I'm bullish on Apple, you know that. We've been playing it. We missed it here. We missed this entry here. And we've been looking for this test here of the 433, 439 level. Google. Here we have the daily chart for Google, up 0.5%. Holding that 50-day so far. I'm looking for an entry around the 880 level. 870 level, sorry. And looking for 900. So that's on Google, nothing changed. Netflix. Still holding that moving average, but basically at it right now. We're gonna see if we are making a lower high here on Netflix. It would be bearish, but still we are above that average, playing it to the upside with a stop right there on the close below that. You could see here this trend line I just drew here. If we fail at these levels, I would get bearish, looking for 200 again. Pretty volatile stock lately, and but very tradable. And that's it for today. Have a great 4th of July, and I'll speak to everyone Friday.